Okay, early morning, it's time. Yeah. We've been running low on water for whatever reason down at the shower at the camp. Time. We've already taken down 1,000 litres and put in there, so that's gotten us through the last couple of days. Just refill it. Go one more full load down there in the old truck. And a bit of a squeeze getting into the busted up cab after it hit an iron bark tree and pushed all this side in. All the doors cut away and bent. No window. The catch is one of those. Oh, hang on. I have to put that down for a minute. Right. Put that in. And see if the old girl will start. It's a bit cold this morning. Again. That fan belt's a bit squeaky. I'm going to have a look at that when I come back. Yep, I think that might do us. Let's leave it run